Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and this is my Anycubic Kobra S1 that I've been making some videos that you guys have been watching, which I gotta tell you, I really appreciate. I think it was kind of fun to see that in the first 10 hours, my last video hit 1,000 views. I mean, I smiled. So thank you guys. Thank you and you and you and you and you and you all the way in the back there. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time here, I'm going to do what everybody else does. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. So this is my Anycubic Kobra S1. As you know, it's had some problems. Anycubic got back to me this morning, late last night while I was asleep. Hey guys, I just want to jump in here and say that Anycubic is sending me a printhead, motherboard, and cable to give that a shot. It's now May 1st, so let's see how long it takes to get here. After I got it back together, I did a test print, and I'm going to say, I don't trust the machine is going to continue to work. I don't. Until maybe I get another 30, 40, 50 hours in, I'm going to be tentative. But this was a phenomenal, this is probably the best first layer I have seen. And this is under extremely harsh fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent? No, that's old. LED lighting. Look at that. I mean, it is uniform. I'm going to say, if this printer can do this on a regular basis, holy cow, it's going to be exciting. Now, this is where the problem is. I had a couple errors in the middle of it, in the middle of printing that I was able to resume. There was a nozzle clog. I forget what the other one was. It was late last night while I was watching TV. I got a notification on my phone. But anyway, top layer, absolute garbage. You see it? I'm trying to get it in there. Oh yeah. It is an absolute garbage top layer. So anyway, happy that the first layer, amazing. The rest of it, I don't know. So Anycubic, thank you. I appreciate you responding with fill out this link. We'll send you parts. Hopefully we can work together to get this thing working. Again, thank you everybody else out there for watching and liking, subscribing. Much appreciated. I'm Doug. I'd like to do stuff with my 3D printer eventually and love 3D printing. Maybe finish my multi-board wall. You know what's crazy is by the time I finish this multi-board wall over here, they're releasing new parts left and right. I'm going to have I'm going to have to take it down and redo it all. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll go from here.